Hello viewer. Today we're going to be addressing all of those planks that I brought down from the loft. And the first thing is set up my workspace. There we go, nice green padding to keep my bony bottom off the concrete floor, and a couple of sticks that I can use to separate the planks that I'm working on from the floor. Then a tub to put all the nails in, a hammer and a crowbar, and I could do with some gloves. Let's put some gloves on, that'll stop the nails getting into me and splinters. And I also like a Japanese crowbar. Very nice, I'm a big fan of those. So let's get on with taking the nails out of these first little bits of wood. What I did notice as I was doing this is that there was a bit of woodworm. When I say a bit, you'll see as this goes on, there was quite a bit. So let's get on with this. Well, that was quite useful. I haven't really got a lot to show for it in terms of useful wood. I've got a lot to show for it in terms of wood to burn. So let's just cart you around. So over here, that's the pile of full-length wood, still having nails in it. There's a pile of wood in the corner there, and a pile of wood here, which are less than full length with nails in. This stack here is, what, about six or so lengths deep by about 5 across, so that's probably about 30 planks of wood which are good without nails and can be reused. This pile is all wood wormy, so that's all going over to the other house to be cut up to burn. So it doesn't go to waste, but it just isn't going to be reused in a useful way. Well, it is useful, but anyway. So that's it for the moment. Time to pack up and do another job another time. See you again soon. Bye for now.